Miami and Miami Beach, where sunshine, ocean, and vibrant life converge. Welcome to Miami and Miami Beach, two names synonymous with Florida's radiant sunshine, endless beaches, and a lively pace of life that never sleeps. Miami is like a giant painting, where each color carries its own emotion. The deep blue of the ocean, the pink-purple hues of the sunset, the dazzling neon of the nightlife, and the warm orange-yellow of the tropical sun. If Tampa is a gentle friend, then Miami is a fiery dancer, alluring, powerful, and full of energy. This place is modern yet multicultural, luxurious yet simple, a blend that anyone who visits once will remember forever. Miami Beach, the muse of the ocean. Let's start with Miami Beach, the long white sandy island along the Atlantic Ocean. The highlight is South Beach, a paradise of sun, sea, and lifestyle. In the morning, you can leisurely stroll along Ocean Drive, where tall palm trees cast shadows, unique pastel-colored Art Deco buildings stand side by side, and crowds of people bike, jog, and enjoy the sea breeze. The ocean is jade blue, the sand soft and white, the waves gently lapping, all making you feel like you've stepped into a vivid postcard. At night, South Beach takes on a different look, vibrant, dazzling, and full of energy. Bars and clubs stay open all night, lively Latin music plays, and neon lights shimmer. This is where Miami truly lives, up to its nickname, as the city that never sleeps. Downtown Miami, the beating heart of the city. Leaving Miami Beach, we enter downtown Miami, where the modern pace of life reaches its peak. Skyscrapers reflect on the Miami River, bustling marinas filled with yachts, and busy ferry terminals. Bayside Marketplace is a familiar stop, where you can shop, dine, enjoy the view, and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere by the bay. Further away, Brickell, the financial center, offers a different vibe. Luxurious, trendy, with rooftop bars overlooking the sparkling city lights. Miami is also a city of art. The Perez Art Museum features impressive architecture and refined contemporary works. And of course, there's Wynwood Walls, a giant graffiti wall that has transformed an old industrial neighborhood into a colorful outdoor museum. Little Havana, the Latin soul of Miami. What defines Miami's identity is its cultural fusion, especially the imprint of the Cuban community. Visit Little Havana, where music, cuisine, art, and memories of Havana remain intact. On Calle Ocho, you'll hear the strumming of guitars and salsa music, see elderly men playing dominoes in the park, and smell the rich aroma of Cuban coffee and hand-rolled cigars. Here, you don't just visit. You truly feel the rhythm, soul, and love of life of Cubans living abroad. Beaches, sunsets, and nature around Miami. Besides South Beach, Miami has many other beaches, each with its own charm. North Beach is quiet and relaxing, perfect for those wanting to escape the noise. Key Biscayne offers pristine beauty, with Crandon Park and Bill Baggs Cape Florida State Park, where an old lighthouse stands tall overlooking the sea. Miami is also the gateway to Everglades National Park, a vast wetland with a unique ecosystem. A ride on an airboat through the swamps, where alligators hide beneath the water and birds soar above, will show you just how majestic and mysterious Florida's nature is. Ports and cruises, departing from Miami. Miami is famous as the world's yacht capital. Miami Port is where numerous cruises to the Caribbean and Central America begin. Standing at the port, you'll see giant ships shining in the sunlight, with excited passengers preparing for new adventures. Even if you don't take a cruise, just watching the sunset at the harbor as the fiery sun slowly dips down, casting golden light over the water and ships, is enough to create unforgettable memories. Music, festivals, and the rhythm of Miami. Miami is not only beautiful to the eyes but also alive with music and festivals. It's a gathering place for vibrant Latin beats, salsa, reggaeton, jazz, and EDM melodies. Every year, Miami Music Week turns the entire city into a giant stage for world-famous DJs. Carnival. Miami immerses you in a colorful street festival atmosphere, where dance, food, and music blend together. In Miami, every day can become a celebration. Miami cuisine, a cultural fusion in every dish. Miami's cuisine is a rich blend of Cuban, Caribbean, Latin American, and international flavors. A strong Cuban coffee, a hot Cuban sandwich, fresh seafood prepared Caribbean style, or modern fusion dishes in upscale restaurants all reflect the city's multicultural rhythm. Dining in Miami is not just about taste, but a cultural journey. Every dish, every small eatery, every street market tells a story of migration, integration, and the love of life of the people here. Miami and Miami Beach are not just destinations but a state of emotion. Here you find clear blue seas, soft white sands, lively Latin music, colorful street art, diverse cuisine, and a free-spirited, energetic lifestyle. Miami is like an endless song, sometimes lively, sometimes gentle, sometimes dazzling, sometimes calm. Whether you come to relax, have fun, explore, or find inspiration, this city can give you what you need. Come and let Miami touch your heart, so that when you leave, you carry with you the sunshine, the sea breeze, the smiles of the people, and the vibrant rhythm that lingers in your memory.